Welcome back to another trekking video, guys. I'm currently in San Antonio, Texas. I'm making my way to Houston. This load that I had is coming from, where is it coming from actually? Oh, it's coming from Bakersfield. That was my last pickup right there, guys. But yeah, guys, today we're gonna be camping in my semi truck with my friend Paul and the road and me. I just want to say thank you guys because we passed over 10,000 subscribers on YouTube, and that was my goal to do it before the summer ended. And guys, we definitely passed 10,000 subscribers, guys. Thank you guys so much. I'm gonna be uploading consistently, and hopefully you guys can see my face a little bit more here on this YouTube page. You know, guys, manifestation is a real thing when it comes to anything in life. But I literally manifested my subscribers and everything, and just to think back, I mean, 10,000 subscribers is not a lot to like people, but to me it means the world, because that was my goal. And thank you guys. I made this YouTube page in high school in my senior year, and I had everybody in my classroom subscribe. And to think now that I'm actually trying to take it serious is kind of crazy to me, and it's getting a lot of good feedback from a lot of people, so thank you guys. But yeah, just to think back, me in my high school classroom with my friends in them, I made all of my friends subscribe to my YouTube page, man. So now to have over 10,000 subscribers, it means a lot to me. So yeah, guys, hopefully we can keep this page growing. And if you're watching right now, thank you for being here. You mean a lot to me. You mean a lot to everyone. But let's carry on with this YouTube vlog. I'm gonna be cooking homemade prison burrito here in my semi truck, guys. I'm gonna stop right now. I'm gonna fuel my semi truck, and I'm gonna buy all the ingredients that I need. I seen it on TikTok and some other pages, and man, I want to try it so bad, man. I don't know, it's hot Cheetos, and then you put soup and noodles, and then you put, what else? I think you put cheese and everything, but whatever they have at the gas station right now is what I'm gonna use. So hopefully, hey, hopefully that works. Alrighty, boys, we're officially here at the pump. Alright, guys, so I put over to put fuel, and I literally came right here on my passenger side of fuel, and I looked at my tire. I've been having problems with that tire, and guys, it was literally almost just a rim. The tire's all wobbly. So right now I'm putting some some air with my hose, man. If you're a checker, always check the tires. Don't just bam bam bam. You gotta be checking them right. So let me show you guys what I'm doing right now. Alright, guys, so I try to put a nail back in so the tire could come, the air could come back out. I try to put in a screwdriver in there so the air wouldn't come out, but now I filled up my tire and literally it's leaking air, all the air. So let me show you guys. So this is the air right here, guys. What I bought is this right here. This is my first time ever using this. This is a trip tire repair kit. So let's see how that goes. The thing that sucks about this is that my time is ticking, man. And I gotta be in Houston. This is not helping. Got this. I looked it up on YouTube already. Got this. Got this. This to make the hole slip in there. Let's see. bad, guys. I'm sweating. This was definitely not expected to be part of this video, guys. I need something to drink. Definitely need to eat, man. Now I gotta put tire in there and hopefully the air doesn't come out, guys. Please, if you're watching this, take a little prayer. Hopefully it works. Let's go. Finally, it's done, guys. Now let's clean up and get out of here. I got a long way to go. Let me get one of these because I'm thirsty. Let's get this one right here. Take all of this. Whew. And then yeah.
Together or?
You know what? Yes, together. And can I get a pack of? Thank you. All right, guys, let's get out of here, man. I spent at least an hour and some change, almost 2 hours here, just trying to fix that tire, man. Oh my God, look at. Oh, never mind. I thought my light was off. But yeah, guys, I always like to double check my tints are on. The caps, doors are closed. Now let me just double check the other side. I didn't leave no mess. Oh my God, man, that was a mission, guys. This is my first time ever doing this, and that's how it looks like right now. Oh my God, guys, that was a mission. If you ever have to do this, hey, don't give up. It might be hard in the beginning, but oh my God, you guys will be fine. I don't even got time to clean my windows right now. We gotta go, we gotta go. Let's pray nothing happens on the road. We gotta make it home to McAllen, Texas, and hopefully it gets fixed. I can make it all the way there. For now, I'm kinda stressed, so I can't wait to get right out to Houston and cook those noodles, guys, because oh my God, we were starting off the vlog strong, and now, man, this is the thing about trucking, guys. You never know what could go wrong. Like right now, I was having a good time driving and my thoughts, listening to music. Out of nowhere, I just literally, I'm pumping fuel and I'm checking my tires, you know, do my little inspection. I'm like, hold up, that don't make sense, bro. I'm touching the tire. I mean, I look at the tire, literally it's all wobbly, like it's just the rim. Like, oh my God, man, my whole body hurts now. And the Texas weather, man, oh my God, if you live in Texas, you guys know this Texas weather, whew, it's not for the weak. If you live in Texas, salute, man. I don't know how you guys can do it, but hey, let's get out of here. Say E in Texas. Now we're going to Houston. All right, guys, we just got to the company. Let's see if we could go check in, because I'm not gonna lie, they're pretty rude here. I already wrote down my number and everything.
What's that truck name?
The truck name is Cora Transport.
What is it?
Cora Transport. 001 26.
Alright,
All right, thank you. Thank you. You know what? Like, what